Hi there, this is Wade Betz over at Guardian Mortgage Company, and I just want to thank you for visiting my video blog today. Today's topic is junk mail post-closing, why you receive it. So what you may not realize is that after you close a real estate transaction, there are certain documents that have to be filed with the county courthouse. The unfortunate thing is county courthouse records are public access, and marketing companies will routinely buy this information from the courthouse to tailor their solicitations to new loan recipients. So people that have just bought a home or just refinanced a home will often get a flood of junk mail shortly thereafter because the marketing companies have bought their information from the courthouse. So with that said, there's a couple of things that you can do to dramatically reduce the amount of junk mail that you receive. Now, I've personally taken all three of these steps, but I'll outline them for you here. So the number one thing that you can do to minimize the amount of junk mail that you receive is to go to optoutprescreen.com. So that is the shared web portal for the three major credit bureaus. And by opting out of that website, you're able to remove your credit profile from being sold to third parties. So all those credit card offers that you get, any kind of insurance or financial services solicitations, anything that you receive that's a solicitation tied to your credit profile would cease to be sent any longer. You can opt out for anything from 5 years to permanently. Just know that if you opt out permanently, they're actually going to send you a form that you have to wet sign and send back to them. So they make it a little bit more difficult to opt out permanently, because at the end of the day, credit bureaus are in the business of selling your information for profit, and you have the right to restrict that. So that will have the biggest impact on your junk mail solicitations that you receive. The next biggest impact is going to be opting out of the Direct Marketing Association's website as well. So that's DMA Choiceorg. And so think of them as the police for all the catalogs and all of the other mail that's not tied to your credit profile like the Optout Prescreen one is. So this DMAChoice.org does have a nominal fee, and it only lasts for 5 years. So you'll definitely want to keep an eye on that, but it's well worth your time and effort to opt out of those. And for those of you that want to take it a step further, there's actually a paid service called catalogchoice.org, and those are the ones, that site will allow you to input the different vendors that have slipped through the cracks on the first two and opt out of their solicitations as well. So by combining all three of these, you'll dramatically reduce the amount of mail that you receive. I personally had many days where I don't receive any mail at all, and those are great days. So if you have any questions about this, by all means, give me a call at the contact information below. My team and I would be happy to help you with any of your real estate needs as well. So feel free to give us a call or send our contact information along to anyone else you know buying or selling real estate in the next 6 months. Thanks again for visiting my video blog, and have a great day. Bye-bye.